Hello. We all know that how troublesome the cough and cold may be. Continuously coughing and sneezing during your meeting or in classrooms is really embarrassing, right? Hi, myself Dr. Anju Balakrishnan, Ayurvedic physician, and today we are going to speak about the home remedies for cough and cold. Cough is our body response when something irritates our throat or airways. Cold is a common viral infection that affects the nose and throat. Usually, the remedies like cough syrup, steam inhalation and vaporizers are practiced. Better to consult doctor if you have breathing difficulty, if you observe green or yellow mucus along with blood during coughing, if you develop fever or wheezing. Now coming to the home remedies. The first and foremost drug is Pipali, it is long pepper. It is very effective in managing cough and chest congestion. It helps to loosen the mucus and hence by easily flushed out of body. A pinch of Pipali Churna can be taken along with 1 teaspoon of honey twice daily. The next drug is Tulsi. It is considered as the mother of herbs. It is the natural immune booster. It helps in reducing cough, cold and other respiratory disorders. We can give 1 teaspoon of Tulsi leaf juice with honey. The next drug is ginger. The ginger is having natural antiviral property and it helps to lower the body temperature. Ginger tea can be prepared by adding 1 teaspoon of crushed ginger in 1 glass of water. The antiviral property of ginger helps in reducing the cough and sore throat by reducing the inflammation. Next one is honey. It is one of the commonly used home remedy. The studies proves that the honey has microbial agents that can cure the cough. As mentioned earlier, honey can be given along with pepper powder or tulsi juice. Next is salt and turmeric gargle. It is one of the procedure that gives you instant relief. Gargle by adding 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 pinch of turmeric in warm water. Gargling helps in pulling excess of mucus and haldi, it helps in reducing the inflammation. Next remedy is golden milk. It is one of the best remedy for cold in kids. Add a pinch of turmeric in 1 glass of milk, boil it and consume when lukewarm. It enhances your immunity power. Practice these home remedies when you have cough and cold, but do consult doctor if the symptoms are not under control.